Okay, drive off when you're ready, please. Yeah. That's it. Yeah, start turning more turn. That's right, shoulder check. Good. Right, now as you dip your clutch a bit, that's it. That's your clutch control. And gas and drive on, please. There you go. The clutch control is always up there. Once you master that, you'll find driving so much more easier. Okay. Yep. Well done. Good. There we are. As you can see here, cars are parked both ways. So it's a two-way street. So look, when it's a one-way to a two-way. So if we look further ahead, that's a one-way street. But at the moment, we're in a two-way. So there you go. So there. Interesting. Good. Now, shortly we're coming to the end of the road. I'd like you to turn right, please, at the end of the road. Okay. Off the gas. So, good. Focus on what you have to do. Remember, yeah? Brake clutch down. And there. First gear. Yeah, don't strain anymore. Go on. Go on. Okay, so it's there we are. Well done. So, one-way street, position to the right. So to go left is the left lane, the right to go right.
No, I forgot it was one way.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. You know the little things. Right, let's come out. Let's edge out halfway. Come on. Yep, like that. Good. Then dip it a bit, and then we can go now. See? That's your clutch control there. Gas, come on. Now keep it left lane here. Keep it left lane. Yes, please. That's it. Good. We're going to take the third exit. Still follow through what you got to do. See that? Like that. And then there you are. Because the car then carries that way. See? There you go. Now back into there. So we'll take the third exit from here. Yeah? So signal to your right still. Because there's yeah. So don't worry. This is the first. Yeah, 3 just round. Yeah, because it's not all going all the way around. Just from here. Don't worry. When you move off, that's why we've got the signal on. As we're moving off, we're just going to move into not where that vehicle is, but where the silver car in front of us is. Yeah.
Which car? Sorry.
That one there, the silver one, which is going straight ahead. And that,
we're going straight ahead.
No, but that's a split. You see, you can split it. But that's right.
Yeah, I see where that is.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah. So that's what we're there. See the same as that learner car as well. There we are. All right. So biting point ready. So you can see the other car's just gone. All right. Again. You should be using the handbrake.
Yeah.
You stop for 1 through 1. Let's go. Yeah. Good. Good. Now look in your right mirror as well. Good. Keep going. Good. Check your gear mirror. Go on. Good. Gas more. More gas, please. More gas. A bit more gas. There we go. There we are. Done. Look in your mirror. Oops. Sorry, the clutch fall down. Clutch has to go?
All the way.
Yes, please.
Sorry.
Good.
Is it 30?
It's 30 miles per hour. It is indeed. Good. Good. That's the maximum. If the road is clear, allowing you to do it, it's fine. Now, as you're approaching a green set of traffic light, just keep it left a bit. So if anybody wants to overtake us, they can from the right hand side. Yeah. There we go. So there you are. Look, you can see they want to overtake us. So you know, there you are. Carry on going now. But that's it. And that's why it's so important that your awareness of what's happening around you. Every 3 to 5 seconds, I say, check your mirrors. 1001, 1002, 1003. Have a look in the mirror. 1001, 1002, 1000. Like here, you should be looking at 2 mirrors. Like your interior and your left mirror. Yeah. See, just like that. This time at the roundabout, we're going to take the first exit on the left, please. So start slowing down. That's it. Yes. Now brake more, and a bit more, and second gear clutch off. Look, yeah, and there. Now first gear, keep rolling. Good. Let's go now. Come on. Gas. Good. Come on. Yeah, that's it. And then you move into the right hand lane in second gear because the left is a left hand turn. So off the gas. Red light, we've got a filter, but we're going here. Now brake and clutch down. Yeah, now first gear there. Go on, let's go. Good. Relax though. Yeah, slowly, but keep that slightly still there. See, that's what you got to hold these angles. and then change your gear now because the road isn't straight. See, we're going to pull up on left behind that next vehicle. Please pull up on the left, please. Sit behind that vehicle about 1 car length away. So full clutch down, let it roll. That's it. Relax the hands in. That's it. Brake a bit more. Keep rolling. Bit more. Stop there. This is called an angle start. Handbrake on. Secure the car into neutral and signal off. 1, 2, 3. So this is called an angle start when you got less angle to get around that vehicle. So you got to make good observation of how to get around there. Driver when you're ready, please. No. Prepare. Get your biting point. That's enough. Observation. Good. Now you can signal and then brake off and start spraying the wheel. Clutch control. Come on. Turn it more. Yep. Shoulder check. Let's go. Yep. Come back now. More gas. Come on. And gas more. Good. More gas. Good. There we are. Well done. That's it. Good. Good. That was very nice. Smooth. And then change up to there you go. Through the gears like that. Done. Good. Yeah. There we go. Good. If I say nothing, that means you're going to go
Straight.
Okay, so keep in the right hand lane where you are. Off the gas, brake, slow down, and second gear clutch off. Yeah, change your gear. Come on. Okay, on now. Go on. Good. Now keep in the right hand lane, yeah? Go on, keep going. Good. So as you enter it here, that's exit 1. So we're going to go straight ahead. Check your mirror, signal left. Good. You can't see the bus lane times, but it's 7 AM to 7 PM, yeah? 7 days a week. So just 7 AM to 7 PM. You can't enter it at all. No, that time.
Pretty much right off most
That's
bus
it.
lanes, isn't it?
There we are. Nice and easy. There, nice and slow. Slow down a bit, please. Slow down, please. Slow down, slow down, slow down. Okay. And then drop down to second gear, look to your right. Go on. There you go. That's why I'm trying to get you slow down, you see? You've got to take your time. Alright? Especially no gas. Bring your hand up, turn the wheel, come on. That hand. Look at where the bend's going.
Sorry,
If the bend's going that way, you want to bring that hand up. So there you are. Bring your right hand up. So it's a giveaway, so steer, but look left. Is anyone coming?
Nope.
Okay, as you come to here,
Yep.
that's all you do, and then you straighten up. There you are. Because you can see the left was clear. Otherwise, you come a bit more straighter and then move across. And you're in. Done. So that's that one way that we came into, and this is where you carry on from. There we go. There we go. Good. Slow down, that's a roundabout. We're going to go to the left of the roundabout. Slow down, signal to your left. Now look right, is it clear?
Yep.
Just keep going. There you are. Bring your hand up.
Yeah, sorry.
There you go. Calm. If you're going to steer, not now, relax.
No,
not now.
I'm
Just
putting
at
it in
that
my
point.
head.
No,
Hold it
just
up here.
at the time, just relax. Just at the time, just bring your hand up in the direction you're going, and then you calmly start swinging down. Just let it start coming into you. That's what the idea of the lesson is, for me to help and guide you to get that understanding going. That's all. And there we are, mate. Again, set your cruise control on at 30. Press and hold the top button. That'll reset it. There we are. See? It's reset now. And now you control again. You don't have to accelerate any harder. You know, and it's just control. Even if it's at 28, which is good. But let's start going down. Don't worry about braking. Watch the speed
Oh,
first.
yeah. Felt it
Good.
the other time.
Yeah. If you feel it's going over 30, then you'd brake. But if it's not, then you just let it roll like that. Well done. Good. So this bus lane is 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. only 3 hours in the
That's
afternoon.
okay,
So brake, but because we're going straight ahead, we're just keeping it here. Yeah, brake more. Good. And no, it's okay. It's okay. Go on. Go on. There you are. Because it's got the speed and downhill,
still
and you've got enough momentum to carry through to get you through that there like that. Good.
But if I had changed it to second, it's no. Like,
Yeah, but
I just didn't need to do it.
That's right.
Right, yeah,
Because you're going downhill with the flow. That we're trying to understand the decision making.
Yeah.
Do we need to? If it's uphill, definitely need to change it because you're losing power.
Yeah.
And that's the difference. We've got to work on uphill to downhill, and if it, Now we're coming up to. I showed you to a roundabout. We're going to take the third exit for Central London Docklands, A13. So keep in your right hand lane. Ease off the gas. Good. There we are. Well done. Keep it more your side. There we go. Just keep it in that lane there. That's it. Good. Keep going as you are. It's the traffic lights. You can see the lights are going red. Signal to your right now. Just signal and brake clutch down. Keep your hand there and stop. Nothing else. Just focus on one thing because your mind there. Now neutral and then handbrake on as well. Like that. So secure the car into neutral. Done. Yeah? But just one thing at a time when you don't need to multitask. You're not trying to get the timing right when you don't need to do too much. Because then your brain's trying to
I didn't see these lights, so I was thinking, I need to go down to second.
No,
I'm going
just
too
relax.
slow.
No panicking. Everything's got to be done calmly. It's all there. Now first gear, get yourself ready to go because the light's been red a few seconds. There we go. There, your hand's ready. Your right hand on the steering wheel. No, just there. Good. And you keep your right hand on there. That's it. And then go on. Now, as you move off, now let's look at the lane markings. What lane we want and stuff. More gas. Keep going. Go on. Come on. Second gear clutch off now. Good.
Sorry.
Off the gas. Just off the gas, that's it. And keep in this lane where we got the middle lane. Clutch down. That's it. I don't know why you cancelled your signal there.
I don't know
Alright,
why.
you panicked. So, alright, first gear again. Okay, good. Now that's the first exit.
Yep.
That's the second exit.
We're going all the way around there.
Yeah, but from where we are right now, we're in the second lane now. Yeah? So we're in the middle lane. We're going to end up in the first lane as we go around the bend. That's right. So it's easier then to come off.
Yeah.
You see what I mean? Yeah?
That's
what it is. So don't worry. Just get your biting point ready. A bit more. Yeah, lift your clutch a bit more. There, you're ready to go now. And move now. Go on, you're going to come behind that silver car. So lift it. That's it. Good. That's it. Good. There we are. Full clutch down again. There. Softly tap the brake. And there we are. Mission accomplished. And there. Now stop. Cancel your signal now. There you are, because we're coming off here. Yeah? So we're just going to come. Just keep on this line. Go on. Yep. There we go. Go on. Yeah. Turn the wheel bit. There you go. That's enough. That's enough. Just here. That's it. And we're done. Good. Speed limit signs ahead of you. Change your gear. Come on. There you go. Now look in the right mirror as well. Always awareness. Come on. Good. Good. Keep it here. 40 miles per hour. Come on. Just keep it here. That's it.
Going to full.
Yes, please. Yeah. Look in the mirror. Come on. Good. Maintain the speed. If you do it too early, you can see the engine starts to struggle. Yeah. Keep it going. And that's it. So don't worry about that. We're coming off at the next exit here. Good. So here we are. Again, we're following signs for blocking. So signal to your left. That's it. Good. Now look down the road a bit more further. You see the speed limit sign. Can you see it?
Yep.
There you are. So off the gas. Signal off now. Anytime bus end, you can't enter that. Are you doing 30?
No.
Good. Now we're coming to a set of traffic lights. We're going to turn right at the lights, please. Turn in.
Right.
Yes. So, signal to your. Yeah. Now the vehicle behind knows where you're going. You see? So they're going straight or right. This is the lane that you want to be in. Yeah. The bus lane we can't enter anytime. Nothing else. Just keep rolling. That's it. Come on. There you go. Well done. And there we are. We're done. Right, back into first gear. Get ready to go again. Good. There we go. Good. Secure the car, please. That's it. And keep your right hand slightly there. Leave that alone. That's it. Come here. Because you've already got your first gear. You're ready to go. That's it. Because you're at first. See? Yeah? Leave your clutch a little bit. There. That's it. You don't put too much pressure on the biting point. So you just want to, when you move off, you got the confidence, and it's about the gas that you need. You control the clutch. Good. Still too much on the.
Too much.
Yeah. Because it's sitting on it, it's no point.
Oh, yeah,
you burn the clutch out.
So it's ready to go, isn't it?
Yeah. Just be calm when the lights change. That's the main thing, and then accelerate as you require it. Just get that balance and feeling it and doing it again and again. Okay, ready. Yep, let's go. Come on. Good. There you are. More gas and more, and turn. And second gear. Second gear, please. Keep to the left. Yes. There we go. There we go. That's the reason why. Yeah.
Yeah.
Third gear now. So anyone who's going quicker or faster can go from the right side. If we position to the right, then you don't know which side they're coming from. If you got them in the correct position, now ease off the gas.
Sorry,
yes, I know, but that's it. It's very easy to get carried away. Right? So you got to get back into reservation mode. Off the gas a bit. Now take the next road on the left, please. Brake. Kill your speed. Kill it. Good. And what? Yeah. Clutch off. Top of the wheel. Turn. Come on. So you came off your brake first.
Yeah.
So look at the road on the left as you turn left. When you do pull, but then push it calmly. Let the wheel be free. It turns it more. Just turn it until you get in your correct position. Now be cautious here. You're approaching. You got hazard warning lines. Look, you got a sign here.
Good boy.
Yeah. There we go. So as you're rolling, look right. First gear. Always off the brake. Off your brake. Good. Look left. Good. So we didn't stop. That's it. Come on. And there we are. So look how we did it though. We came right down to creeping pace, checked both sides, setting gear clutch off now. But we always look to the right first. Always the right first. You look to the right side of the road before the left. Immediate dangers from your
right.
That's it, yeah.
Because they're the ones coming left.
Good. Right, end of the road, we're going to turn left, please. Turn left. Sorry, I beg your pardon. Turn right, my bad. Yeah. Clutch down. Good. And there we are. Look right. That's it. There you go. Good. Good. There you go. So as you come forward, looking right, yeah, go on.
Yeah.
That's enough. Now look at the curb on the left. Steer off now. Slowly, yeah. But keep steering. Come on. And there you go. So you're not looking at the oncoming vehicle. You look at your. Yeah.
Sorry, listening.
Yeah, and keep your position though off the gas. Now there's no parked cars. You can drive here. You see what I mean? Yeah. It's just keep to the left. The general rule of driving is off the gas. There we go. Keep going now. Good.
Sorry.
There's no speed for you, and look ahead. There's a roundabout sign. There's traffic. We build a speed and change here when we see that ahead of us is clear and we're good to go. So carrying on straight at the mini roundabout, but we're going to look to the right. Now first, as you're rolling up, good. Keep looking, keep going. A bit more forward, please. Yeah, because we're not going to get. Come forward more, please. You're too far back. You can't really. Come on, you can't really engage with it until what they're gone. But you're too far back.
Yeah.
You're holding it too long. Second gear clutch off. You got to get a bit more closer so you can judge the road better. Gas gone. There we are. Good.
Oh shit.
What's wrong?
Buses.
There we are. Good. That's it. Yeah, there's buses. That's alright. Good. Just relax. The thing is, body language is very important. How you drive there, nice and calm. Calmly back. Now look at the bus lane again. Time. There's the blue sign. It's hidden behind the bush. 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. That's right. 7 till 7. That's it. And there, so you can never enter the bus lane during the daytime hours. It's like only for 12 hours bus lane. It's not. Now this roundabout is a bit. This is the one roundabout which is a bit different here. At this roundabout, Brian, the giveaway signs are across the vehicles coming from the right, so they have to give way to us. So if you keep going, we're going straight ahead by the roundabout, so that's they're going to stop off the gas. There's the road markings, you see that? Alright, and there we are. Steer more to your right now, and a bit more. Now check your mirror and signal to your left. But keep in the right hand lane as you come off. There we are. Ease off the gas a bit. Come too quickly. There we are. Just take your time a bit, and there you go. And that's it. Just keeping it there. take the second road on the left, please. There?
Second.
Yeah. Yep. Off the gas. Cover your clutch and brake, but don't use them. Good. Now look at the road. Now take it in. It's a very bumpy road. Just a bit more here. There. Good. Steer off now. Good. That's it. Yeah. Well done. Very good steer. That was gone. Good. That's it. Yeah, these bumps are quite big actually. Yeah, you'll feel it in a minute. There you are. And second gear handles it quite nicely by itself. You don't do anything in this car anyway. Good. Good. There you go. Now give way, signs ahead. Now look ahead, clutch down. That's it. Relax the hands and go now. Go on. There you go, because it's clear after that vehicle, then you don't stop. There you are. Now we've got priority over oncoming vehicles there. As you see that off that. That's it. Nice and easy. Good. There we are. Good. So we're coming up to a roundabout. We're going to take the third exit. We're going to turn right where that van just came from, yeah? So we're going to turn right there, okay? Round the roundabout. Round the roundabout. Signal to your right now. There we are. Keep going. Go on, look right. Keep going. Come on.
That's good. That's good.
Yeah, a bit more gas. There, now off the gas. Good. That's one. That's two together. And now check your mirror, signal left now. There you are. Done. Good. And then cancel your signal now. Yeah, because it doesn't allow steer to come off. There you are. Back into third gear now. Check your mirror. Good. There we go. Speed limit is still 30 miles per hour. Now we're coming to a roundabout. We take the fourth exit on the right for parking. The fourth exit. So no signal yet, because that's the Tesco petrol. We don't want to go to Tesco's. Alright, just want to pass that. Good. Maintain the middle of your lane. There. Now slow down. We're going to take the last exit. Where do we position if we take the last exit? Signal to your right. Well done. And there. Now what gear? That's approaching the roundabout. Yep. Correct. Second gear. Now clutch off. Good. Now look, it's clear. Let's go. Come on. Yep. There we are. So there's our position. So we start off in the right hand lane. Yeah. Come round. That's exit one. Good. Gas. Now we're going to start moving towards the middle lane. Yeah. Because we've got to start shortly coming off. Yeah. So there we are. There we go. Gas. Good. Now we want to come into this lane. Yeah. As we come into here, look in the mirrors. That's exit number 3. And off the gas. 1, 2. Signal left now. Calmly, slow and gently on it. There you are. Come in now. And there you are. Good. Now we're coming up to a roundabout. Follow the signs for Romford. Now it looks like the first exit was actually the second exit. The first exit is the petrol station. Now slow down. Good. And slow down to second gear. Look right. That's it. Keep rolling. There you go. Good. Keep going. Signal left now. That's it. And then there you are. Got it again. Because it's on the left. You've got to remember that there. It's not straight to the right side. So you've got to plan it well in your head beforehand. So you know you're going that way. So you know that you approach the correct gear. Then you turn it into that way there.
Yeah.
That way meaning left. Off the gas. When you see them braking, you know there. If you come off the gas now, by the time you get there, you can accelerate and carry on now. So there you are. Good. Carry on straight. Yeah, keep behind them. Keep going. Yeah, yes, okay. Keep going. Go on. Yeah, you're fine. Now brake with the police car. Yeah, clutch down and first gear. Off the brake and go now. There. Yep, more gas. So well done. Keep it to your right. Keep going. Go on. And changing it now. Go on. There you go. Happy days. Good. Okay, we're going to be coming off to the road on the left here, please. So you check your mirror. That's good. Now, how do we position the car here?
Here's the cutout.
Yes. Off gas. Come in. Just line up with the curb. There. Clutch down. Good. And then roll into first gear now. There you go. Because the cars are going slow ahead, so we go with the... Good. And carry on now. There. That's why you've got to get the angle, then you've got to keep it to the right side a bit more. Use a little bit, just at the end you was back to the left. Just a little bit, and that's it. If you do that, but then you've got to remember the curve is going around, so to the right, the road isn't straight. Good. Off the gas, top of the wheel, and turn. Yeah, well done. Good. Helping you out, it's a one-way sign, see, slow, no entry ahead of you. So again, 2 mirror checks now. Good. Top of the wheel, your right hand. Start pulling all the way down. Go on. That's it. And then bring it back in. You can just do it with one movement. She's got time right. And then you find it even more easier to coordinate than your left hand's free to add the gear change if you need to do anything else. Good. And it says 20 zone.
Solid 15.
There we go. Here we are, back at the test centre again. Park at parking, that's right, here we are.
So do you reckon the test route would be something like this?